Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the charging test with the newly launched Oppo F31 Pro. Now Oppo F31 Pro comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery. This is the device, 7000 mAh battery, and you do get this 80 watt adapter. That's the SuperVOOC 80 watt adapter which is included in the box packaging. So 80 watt SuperVOOC. So we'll be using this adapter to charge the Oppo F31 Pro 5G. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's start with the charging test. So let's see the battery right now. So you can see here 1% battery remaining. Let's just quickly go to the settings, battery settings. We have set the battery mode as charging settings. Smart rapid charge, you can see here I have enabled a smart rapid charge, and power saving options. We'll just turn off all the other options, and you can see here now we have enabled everything. We are starting the charging test. So that's the battery settings. Now let's also just go to the about device, Oppo F31 Pro 5G. We have the Dimensity 7300 energy chip, 7000 mAh battery, and color OS 15. So let's start the charging test of this device. So we are connecting the device to the charger. So we are connected. So you can see a SuperVOOC charging has started, and we have started the timer as well. So let's come back at around 5 minutes of charging and see how much battery this device has. You can see here smart rapid charging is turned on. Let's come back at around 5 minutes of charging. So now we are into 5 minutes of charging. Let's quickly have a look at the temperature. 36 degrees. So slight increase is there actually. 36 degrees. So you can see here almost close to 36 degrees. So that's the temperature right now. 5 minutes of charging. You have 11% of the battery completed in 5 minutes of charging. So 11% in 5 minutes. Let's come back at around 10 minutes of charge. So now we are into 10 minutes of charging. Let's quickly have a look at the temperature. So again, slight increase here. You can see here 37.3. So definitely the SuperVOOC 80 watt will have some temperature rise. Now in 10 minutes of charging, we have 20% of the battery completed. That means 20% of the 7000 mAh battery is completed in just 10 minutes of charging. Let's come back at around 20 minutes of charging. So now we are into 20 minutes of charging. Let's have a look at the temperature. So it's remaining the same, 37 degrees, 37.8. So not much of change after the previous readings. And in 20 minutes of charging, we have 38% of the battery completed. So you can see here 38% completed in 20 minutes of charging. Let's come back at around 30 minutes of charging. So now we are into 30 minutes of charging the device. Let's quickly have a look at the temperature. 38 degrees. So slight increase once again in temperature. And in 30 minutes of charging, we have 55% of the battery completed. So more than half of the battery is completed in 30 minutes of charging. So let's come back at around 45 minutes of charging. So now we are into 45 minutes of charging, and let's see the temperature. So 39 degrees, so slight increase once again. And now we can see the battery at 81% after 45 minutes of charging. So it's going at a pretty good pace, 81% in 45 minutes. Let's come back at around 1 hour of charging. If the charging is finished before that, we'll report the final reading. So now you can see in 58 minutes we have 100% battery here. So you can see here 100% battery. In 58 minutes and 54 seconds, you can see the 7000 mAh battery on the Oppo F31 Pro has been completed. So that was the charging test of the Oppo F31 Pro. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.